Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this Ankara foam pouch or Afrocentric foam pouch, and I'll show you how to make it in a way that doesn't get dirty. All right, so let's get started. If you're yet to subscribe, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you. All right, so you need a foam pouch for whatever foam type you're making. You also need your Ankara fabric, and you need this material called vine. VINYL. Yeah, I'm going to put it right there. It's a transparent material, so this will helps you prevent your foam pouch from getting dirty. And then you're also going to need a soldering iron. So what I'm going to do first here is I'm going to place my then yes, you need a gum, either a Vo stick or a white gum. For this work, I prefer working with a white gum because I don't want something that will stain. Yeah, this is the soldering iron and you'll be needing. If you don't have a soldering iron, it's perfect. You can work with scissors or blade. So what I'm going to do first here is I'm just going to apply this white gum at the tip towards the end. As you can see me doing here. I'm not applying it on the back because I also don't want the gum to stain the Ankara fabric. So I'm just going to apply it on the tip, and then I'll have it placed on the Ankara fabric. With the Ankara fabric, the inner is facing me. So I'll leave out a bit of space that'll be enough to fold it inside. And I'll grab scissors and I'll just cut out these pieces I need, or the side I need. Yeah, so as you can see, I'll press it down so that gum can just hold the down. So then I'll pick the gum again and then I'll just put it at the edge again. Yeah, just like that. I'll put it at the edge and then fold the Ankara on it. And after that, I'm also going to apply the gum inside the Ankara. But before I do that, I'll pick my soldering iron and then trace out the camera eye, the speaker, the volume, and every other thing that needs to be traced out. So this is called a I can't remember what that name is called. When I remember, I'll put it on the description box, but I'm just going to place it on it so I don't hurt my table, and I'm just going to trace out that circle. So if you don't have a soldering iron, you have to use with a blade or this very small scissors that is used for cutting thread cutter. But soldering iron just makes your work super easy. And if you don't have that thing that I'm using, you can raise it up and trace it. You'll see that after a while I have to raise it up to trace it. So can you see? So having done that, the other side, I'm just going to punch the hole. It's a very small circle, so just piercing it with that soldering iron will give me the desired result. It's only when I'm cutting the camera eye that I need to apply a bit of caution. So you can see that at the long run, I still have to use scissors to trim it out. So just use scissors to trim out any other excesses. You don't want to be taking pictures and there's a fabric that is blocking your view. So I'm just going to trim out everything. And then he stated that this work was a trial and error. Like I didn't know how it was going to come out. So I was like, I'm just keep trying. If it doesn't come out, I'll just pull it off and use my phone pouch like that. That's the more reason why I was using a white gum. But yeah, this is it, came out fine. Now you can leave your work like this, but so your fabric doesn't get dirty. I'm sure you won't like carrying a phone pouch that is dirty. This is a point where you now pick your vine. You're going to pick your vine and cut. Now if you have watched up to this point, it tells me you're enjoying this video, so please kindly subscribe to this channel if you're here to, and also click the notification bell beside it to get notified enter my post, and also click the like button. If you have watched to this point, it just means you like it. So you can see what I'm doing. I'm picking the vine. Now this one doesn't have a front side or the back side. All you have to ensure is that wherever you're using as a front is clean, because once you gum this, that is the whatever stain or ink that is there is just going to be there like permanently. So I'm going to cut out excesses. So I would also fold this in just like I did with the Ankara fabric. Now I need you to watch and see where I'm going to place the gum, because I won't put the gum all over it because I also do not want it to be reflecting. So I'm just going to put the gum on the edges. Now the gum I'm working with is B6000, sorry, B6000. You can work with any white gum. In fact, you can work with a glue gun. So can you see I'm just placing it at the edge because I also do not want this. I don't want it to stain. I don't want it to be so obvious from outside that it was a gum work. So after I've done that, I'm just going to grab the vine and then just fold it in like that. And then I'll apply gum on the inside generously, like on the edges that's inside, the edge inside. Just apply the gum generously, fold it in, and then trim whatever needs to be trimmed off. Like I said earlier, if you have watched these videos at this point, it means you enjoyed it. So please give it a like, I mean a thumbs up. It tells YouTube that you enjoy this kind of content and then they bring this kind of content your way. And also it helps this channel grow. Thank you. And also share it with someone in your circle. You might just be blessing someone. And also, if you'd like to be a part of my community for craft enthusiasts, kindly click the link in bio. It's a Telegram group for craft enthusiasts. So all you have to just join. I mean, to share ideas. There are free videos for you to watch, and also paid videos. So just click the link in bio in the description box. Sorry, and join. Yeah, so all I'm just doing now is I'm just trimming the excess vine that it's inside. It's not like I can't leave it like that, but I just want to ensure that I'm doing a neat work such that both inside and outside is neat. So when you're done with this, you also pick your soldering iron and also trim out the excess of the vine. Like not excess. You remember how we cut out the camera eye and everything? So you're also going to do the same thing for the vine. So you cut out the camera eye, cut out the charging ports, everything, and that's it, guys.